to remove nervous system interference or to allow the body to work better, whatever the case is. In my opinion, we're not actually really doing that. We're not lining the bones up properly. The point and purpose of chiropractic is to improve motion where motion's been lost. So if we're not moving enough by ourselves, those will build up and that will cause dysfunction. Ever check right in here briefly? Definitely much better. That right side of the pelvis is for sure moving better. Sacrum was, that was it. Perfect. How'd that feel? You gotta practice what you preach. One thing I continuously try to be aware of myself when I'm working with people is catching myself going like this, correcting my own posture. But lastly, with every adjustment, I like to finish off with the arthrostim seated to really assess the motion of every single neck vertebrae. Good. Good.